Hello guys, what's up? In this video I will discuss about links very briefly, which are mostly used in HTML. Before writing a link, a question raised up into your mind is, what is a link? The definition of link is such that a link is the address to a document or a resource located on the World Wide Web or elsewhere within your own web server. Now let's start our lecture. So before starting a lecture, please like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon please. So I will click on go live and our web page will be opened. Now you can see that our web page is live now. Now we will select a file. First I will create a file in my new folder 2. I will create a file name as index dot or maybe index1.html. I will create 2 more files same as index2.html and the last one will be index3.html. index3.html. Now first of all we will write the basic structure, which is HTML. Inside HTML we will write the head tag, and for changing the title we will write the title tag. On the next we will write the body tag. Now for writing a link, first of all we will use p tags, paragraph tags, and inside it we will write an anchor tag. We will write a, close it, and inside the opening a tag we will write href attribute, and inside the double quotes we will write the path of our link. Now in the a tag we will write some text such as click me. Now we will save it. Now I will click it again and go to live again. Yes, now you can see that a link has been formed. Now when I will click it, it will not open because I had not yet given a path. Now for example I will give a path name as maps. So I will write and paste it here and I will save it. Now when I will click it, it will take me to maps. Now you can see that that's how we will add an link inside our a tag. Now the next thing that I will teach you will be opening, or we can say that how to open a link in a new browser window. Now we will write another a tag and we will paste it again, the link, and I will write click on it and saved, and I will give br for line break and saved. Now I will write here a target equals to double quotes, and inside the double quotes I will write hyphen blank and saved. Now when I will click it, it will open in a new tab. That's how we will open a link in a new browser. Now the next thing that I will teach you will be hyperlinks, anchors and links. Now you can see on your screen that the definition of hyperlink is such that a hyperlink is reference and address to a resource on the Web hyperlink can point to any resource on the web, an HTML page, an image, a sound file, a movie, and so on. The definition of anchor is such that is a term used to define a hyperlink destination inside a document. Now, the anchor element A defines both hyperlinks and anchors. Now you can see that the thing written as anchor is used to define a hyperlink destination. So you can see that the hyperlink destination is this. This is the hyperlink destination, and href is the hyperlink attribute. Now the next thing, which is the syntax of HTML link. The syntax of HTML link is on your screen. You can see that we had written an opening anchor tag and closing anchor tag. Inside the opening anchor tag, we will write href attribute equal to double quotes URL and close it. And inside the both anchor, we will write link text. The link text is just like this. This is the link text. Now, the next thing that I will teach you will be links on the same page. Now an image has been formed on your page that there are 4 chapters. So when I will click on it, it will open twice, and when I will click it, it will open in a new tab, and we can also go back to see our previous chapters. So we will make this. First of all, we will write h1, or maybe first of all we write anchor tag, and we will give a file name named as index2.html, and inside the link text we will write chapter 1. Saved. We will make another anchor tag. First of all, we will give a br for line break, br for line break, and saved. I will now write index 3, and I will write chapter 2, and I will give a br for line break also. I will save it. Now I will make an other file name as index4.html. So I will write another a tag, and inside the double quotes I will write index 4. I will write index dot 4, and inside the link text I will write chapter 3. I will save it, and I will give a br for line break, and saved. Now when I will click to chapter 1, it will go to chapter 1. Or for example, I will write another tag in index.toHTML. I will write an anchor. First of all, I will write HTML. I will use HTML5, and inside the body I will write anchor, and inside the href I will write index 1.html, and I will write click to go back. Saved. I will copy this, and now I will go to index.html. I will write html5, and inside the body I will write this, and I will save it. Now I will go to index 4. I will write html5 again, and inside the body I will write this again and save it. Now when I will click to chapter 1, I have given an link name as click to go back. When I will click to go back, it will be go back. Now when I will click to chapter 2, it will show a link also. Now when I will click, it will take me to the previous web. That's how we will link a web page. We will use a link on the same web page to connect many other webs. Now the next thing that I will teach you will be creating an image link. Now for example, I will write a tag, and inside the link text I will write img in image, and inside the src double quotes I will write an image or select an image named as 715.jpg. Now I will write 715.jpg. Now you can see that the image is not coming because I had opened it in other tab. Now I will give a backslash mean relative. This is 715.jpg. Now I will give a link. For example, Gmail. I will copy this and paste it here and saved it. Now 715.jpg. This is the folder name is portfolio. Now I will write portfolio, or maybe it is not written in portfolio, so I will use backslash again and write 715.jpg. Now I will save it. Now the image is not forming again. I will give that alternate name alt. So I will select a new file, new image named as for example I will write scare.png, or I will select lighthouse.jpg. I think that the image is not forming. Why? I think that there is a mistake. I will open it again. Now you can see that it's a little bit good. Oh, we had done a mistake. It should be in index 1. I had written this syntax in index 4. So I will just copy this, copy it, delete this, click to go back, and I will go to index 1. And now I will write this again and I will save it. I can change the width by writing style, and I will write something as height, and I will write 200 pixel and saved. Now you can see that the image is good to see. Now when I will click it, it will take me to Gmail. Now you can see that the image is working. That's how we will add an link inside our image. That's all for now. Take care. Goodbye.